It's a massive construction project with many moving parts. The electrical crew works to install wiring, while the HVAC guys put in ducts and vents. At the same time, another crew mounts insulation and follows up with drywall. One superintendent stands in the middle of the action. The superintendent can log every employee's hours using pen and paper, but who always carries a pen? Not to mention the field supervisor might have terrible handwriting, and paper gets lost. There's a better way. You can use HH2 Remote Payroll's multiple time entry methods to enter hours for all of your construction crews in minutes. First, select the electrical crew and enter daily time for all employees on one convenient screen. Next, select the HVAC crew and copy the exact hours and codes from the previous week with the click of a single button. Finally, enter time for the insulation and drywall employees by selecting the blended crew. Code some hours to insulation installment and other hours to hanging drywall. Even better, you can enter time with an iPad or Android device while walking the job site. No time entry system offers the flexibility, convenience, and ease of use built into HH2 Remote Payroll. Register for a free webinar to learn how HH2 Remote Payroll enables you to enter time for multiple crews in minutes.